Finally, the Russian Revolution and Soviet Russia had a massive global impact and influence. Um, Initially, later on, throughout the course of the USSR, Europe, the people of the Europe, the different countries of Europe, were not approving of the methods of the USSR. जैसे कि बेसिक ह्यूमन राइट्स जो डिनाई किए गए थे, लोगों की अरेस्ट हुई थी, बहुत से लोगों को राइट फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच नहीं था, ये सब यूरोप को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. बट येस, सोवियत रशिया डिड हैव अ मैसिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन द वर्ल्ड. बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ में कम्युनिस्ट पार्टीज़ इस्टेब्लिश हुई ऑन द मॉडल्स जो लेनिन ने फॉलो किए थे, उनको देख देख के देयर वर कम्युनिस्ट पार्टीज़ दैट केम अप द वर्ल्ड ओवर फ्रॉम द वेस्ट टू द ईस्ट. The Bolshevik party encouraged colonial people to follow their footsteps. जो भी जितने भी लोग थे of colonies of different countries, जैसे यूरोपियन countries की colonies, ब्रिटेन, फ्रांस एंड पोर्चुगल की जितनी भी कॉलोनीज़ थी, इनको बोल्शेविक पार्टी, इनकी कॉलोनीज़ को, जैसे कि इंडिया या अफ्रीका में जितने भी कॉलोनीज़ थे, इनको बोल रहे थे दैट यू शुड फॉलो आवर फुटस्टेप्स एंड एस्टैब्लिश अ कम्युनिस्ट party in your country and work towards achieving our ideals. एक कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी, कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ द ईस्ट इन 1929, जिसमें इन लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था. देन देयर वाज द कॉमिंटर्न विच वाज अगेन अ प्रो बोल्शेविक पार्टी कॉन्फ्रेंस. ये a lot of people also received education. Even in India एक ट्रेंड था जहाँ पे लोग जाते थे रशिया टू स्टडी. This was very popular because the Russians had promoted themselves as the champions of people who were colonized and who wanted liberty, and they said that socialism ही सबसे बेस्ट तरीका है इसको अचीव करने का. By the Second World War, communism had a world face. Communism बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया था. जो एक साइड थे जो liberal democratic countries थी like Britain and America, these are on one side, but Russia जो एक champion था of socialism was on the other side, and this was known to everybody across the world. And but at the same time, even people within Russia knew that जो USSR था at that time बिल्कुल डिफरेंट था फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ द रशियन रेवोल्यूशन. जिस आइडियल्स के साथ रशियन रेवोल्यूशन लड़ा गया था, very different was the outcome which was not then being implemented in USSR. Human rights basic थे जो बिल्कुल डिनाई किए गए थे. People were being spied on, people could not move anywhere, people could not sell things at the price that they wanted to. बिल्कुल rights नहीं थे speech के, writing के. So this was not well appreciated by people. Healthcare and education बहुत cheap थे, that was one good thing, but जो basic rights थे वो लोगों के पास बिल्कुल नहीं थे, and this was not looked upon favorably. But at the same time, the socialist culture and regime of USSR gave way to different forms of socialism across the world. So best example would be China. China also is a socialist state, लेकिन वो Russian socialism से बिल्कुल different है. फिर क्यूबा में socialism है. These countries work together because इनकी basic principles same है, but उनकी implementation बहुत different है. At the same time, yes, USSR did have a massive impact in the world. ये बहुत backward country, बहुत world power बन चुकी थी through 1940s, 50s and 60s, all through the height of the Cold War till 1990, जब वो implode होके USSR break away हो गया था. With a lot of places breaking away from the main the Soviet Union, but it did have a cultural and political impact on the world. यहाँ तक कि आज की जो modern day politics है, this is shaped mainly because of the differences between the Soviet Union and the United States of America, which led to the Cold War. So the events of USSR are very important, and to understand Russian history, why they became a socialist state and why the USSR broke away, are very important in understanding modern history and politics.